Hello everyone, welcome again to the Dr. Olubengade TV or YouTube channel. In today's video, I am talking to you about virtual house tours, how to showcase properties online. On this YouTube channel, we are going to be talking and delving fully into real estate, and you are going to have a swell time. Virtual house tours, how to showcase properties online. The real estate landscape is evolving, and virtual house tours have become an essential tool for showcasing properties to potential buyers and renters. With advancements in technology and an increasing preference for digital-first experiences, creating engaging virtual house tours can elevate your real estate business. This guide covers the tools, software, and techniques needed to create stunning virtual tours that captivate audiences and close deals. Now, why virtual house tours matter? Why does it matter? Virtual tours are more than just a trend. They are a powerful way to do the following. Number one, reach a global audience. In virtual house tours, you showcase properties to out-of-town or international buyers. The next thing you do with virtual house tour is it saves you time, reduce the need for multiple in-person viewings. Then it also enhances engagement. It provides an immersive experience that static photos can't achieve. It boosts sales. It helps buyers visualize themselves in the space, increasing the likelihood of a sale. Tools and software for virtual house tours are as follows. Number one, 360-degree cameras. Investing in a high-quality 360-degree camera is the first step in creating professional virtual tours. Popular options include Ricoh Theta 21. It's ideal for detailed room captures. Then Insta360 One X2, a versatile and affordable choice for beginners. You can also get other cameras that your finances or your budget can afford. You just need to start from somewhere. Number two is virtual tour software. Virtual tour software enables you to stitch together 360-degree images into a seamless tour. Top options for this include Matterport, Koala, iStaging. Number three is video editing software. For those who prefer video tours, software like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro allows for professional edits, transitions, and overlays. You can also use drone cameras. That's number four. These capture area views of the property and its surroundings for added context. Now, the following are techniques for stunning virtual tours. Plan your shots. So, the shots you want to take, you have to plan it. These include the entryway, the living spaces, the kitchen, the bedrooms, the bathrooms, and any outdoor amenities that are in that property. You capture that to capture. Number two, you have to use proper lighting. Proper lighting will ensure that where you want to capture is clear and very clear to the individual. So any dark place in the house, you have to make sure that it's being lighted when you are doing your virtual tour. Then number three is stage the property. A clean, clutter-free, and well-decorated space leaves a lasting impression. Consider professional staging to maximize visual appeal. Number four, add interactive features. Incorporate clickable hotspots in your virtual tours to provide additional information about specific features such as flooring materials, appliance brands, room dimensions, and so on and so forth. Number five, you need to optimize for mobile devices. So you ensure that what is being recorded can easily be viewed on your mobile devices. Many people now depend on their mobile devices to view such videos or any other such thing. Then number six, highlight key features. The key features in the property has to be highlighted. Now, let's talk about how you can promote your virtual house tours. You can share it on social media. Social media today is the in thing. Social media is the in thing, whether on Facebook, whether on LinkedIn, whether on Instagram, whether on TikTok, whether on YouTube like this. Share your virtual tour on social media so that others can see and they can decide on what they want to do. The next thing you need to do is to embed it on your website. So you feature virtual tours prominently on your real estate site. Then you can use it in email marketing. You send virtual tour links to your client list. Maybe that virtual tour, you have a Google Drive, then you send the link of the Google Drive to your client, or the link to the landing page where the pictures and the videos of the virtual tour are. You send it to your client. So you don't need to send the bulky video to your client, whether by WhatsApp or any other thing. What you send is the link to where the videos are, and they click it, and then they go there and see what they need to see, and they are going to be happy with that. Another one is collaborate with listing platforms. We have many platforms that are listing. Collaborate with them and share the videos or the pictures of the virtual tour you've done with them. This YouTube channel is one of such that you can collaborate with. So the virtual tour you've done, you send the pictures, the videos on this YouTube channel, we showcase it. Buyers can now come and they can patronize you and know what you have to offer, and then you do business. Now, let's talk about the future of virtual house tours. As technology advances, virtual reality and augmented reality are set to redefine the virtual tour experience. Tools like VR headsets could soon enable buyers to walk through properties from the comfort of their homes. Staying ahead of these trends will position you as a leader in the real estate market. Recently, I had a property that I'm managing for somebody which is available for rent. Somebody that was in another location in the town requested I make a video of the property. I sent the pictures to the person. The person requested for a video, and I had to go and make the video. I actually had the video before, but I deleted it from my phone. But I had to go and make the videos and send it to the individual. This shows you the power and the importance of virtual tour. So incorporate virtual tour into your real estate strategy, and you are going to make good sales, and you are going to get good deals on your real estate investment. My name is Dr. Olugbenga Adetitun, and this is Dr. Olugbenga Adetitun TV. Please like this video, share the link of this video, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. I am going to talk to you in the next one, and before then, this video that is popping up by the side from my own channel is the next you need to see. I'm going to see you in the next one. Until then, keep investing in real estate and keep educating yourself about real estate. Bye for now.